What is up, you guys? It's your boy P Shizzle08 coming at you with another video. I just wanted to tell you guys that I've been swimming in shallow ends of the pools for all my life, and on this particular day I got tired of it and I was like, you know what, we're going to the deep end. One of my good friends told me that, I'm not gonna ever get good at swimming unless I just, take a leap of faith. So on this day I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go for it. And before anybody else, try this technique, make sure you got someone around who knows how to swim, and which I did. You just can't see them in the video. So yeah, I was like really nervous, as anyone should be, trying to count it down to when I'm gonna jump in, but it don't always work like that. Sometimes you just have to, clear everything out of your mind and just go for it. Like, don't even think about it, just go for it. And trust the person that you have on the side that's gonna come get you if all else fails. So I think right about now I don't know why I keep kicking water. I guess I'm scared. But like I said, I eventually clear my head out and go for it, which I'm about to do right about now. And just like that, we out of there. So like I said, just take your leap of faith. If you like what you're seeing, hit that like button, subscribe, and we are out.